hope I don't sound ridiculous.
No, you don't.
And I really want to apologize to my fans. The show is no more.
The show is no more.
Yeah.
Wait,
meaning
it's not gonna happen.
It's not happening.
What happened? Oh no, that's really sad to hear because we were looking forward to
it.
What happened?
And I was really looking forward to it, but the promoter just woke up and he was like, Sean jail.
So this is circumstances beyond your control?
No, let's go through it. So you had a promoter.
Yeah.
What's the promoter's name, if you don't mind, or you don't want to mention the promoter?
I'd rather not.
Okay, so you had a promoter, and did you sign a contract with him?
Yeah, we did.
And the show was supposed to take place within 3 weeks, isn't it?
Yeah.
And he just woke up, sent you a text, or?
See, this is what happened.
What happened? We want to know the whole context.
This guy is really funny. I think the problem is just financial for him.
Okay.
We're out of time. We don't see any ads running.
Right.
Yeah, we don't have any banners, any billboards around town.
There's no hype.
Nothing, And when we ask him, he's like, man, I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
You understand? But then to me, it feels like something is not right.
Right.
So what happened is I told him, because in our contract he was supposed to facilitate the band.
Right.
So I told him, I'm like, Maeka, can't you deposit something on the band? I start rehearsing. He's like, I'm like, but I'm the one who's going to perform.
Right.
And I know what I want to deliver, and we're running out of time. And I don't think I'm going to deliver what I want if
You don't rehearse.
we keep wasting this time.
Right.
Yeah, he just lost it and told the world he's a shrinking.
Wow.
He went on the socials?
Yeah, and he's a good yapper, so he's out there yapping. And
Have you spoken to him since? And you guys are not talking to us?
No.
Very sad.
That is very, very
no,
sad.
I don't think he really wanted to talk. He would have told us, hey,
that he wants to talk.
But he just, went out and was like, I've called off the show on JJO, Nkoya Kamanyiro Kabayimbi, just because I told him I want to start rehearsing. And that is Kamanyiro, apparently. I don't know how things work. Is that?
Oh, wait.
Is this the first time you're working with this particular promoter?
Yeah, it is the first time.
The first time.
Yeah. That is very, very sad. That is very sad. So you are putting it off for now until you come up with another plan.
Yeah, I'll be communicating.
Okay.
I'll be communicating.
Hey.
Come make up and jure. I'm a special woman. Packaging on the way. Every room being on my bandos. I need a handler. Rukundo nyineko unko kanjikutahiri. In the darkness, ninya nyineraiti. Iwa chora kore ijobe supervisor, obe energizer. To telepate, every to be defining. I'm a gara fine to on the pate. Omo hanjini designer, omo hanjini katukube fe pate. Reaching to diviner, katukubefe pate. Katanda ye designer.